Why do so many people cough when cleaning their ears? Let's find out. It all comes down to a little-known reflex called the Arnold's reflex. Here's the science bit. Inside your ear canal, there's a branch of the vagus nerve. This nerve is linked to your throat, which causes you to cough. So, when you stick a cotton bud in your ear, it can stimulate this nerve, causing that sudden tickle in your throat and making you cough. But don't worry, it's completely normal. So, next time you feel that tickle, you'll know it's just your body's eccentric way of responding. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more surprising science facts.